Ever wondered how crucial data analytics tools are in today's world? Imagine you're sitting on a gold mine, but you have no tools to excavate. That's what businesses are like without data analytics tools. They are essential to sift through the massive amounts of data generated every day, transforming raw data into valuable insights. These tools have become the backbone of decision-making processes. Whether it's identifying new market opportunities or understanding consumer behavior, they help businesses make informed decisions backed by data, not just intuition. Moreover, they allow us to forecast future trends. With these tools, businesses can predict what their consumers will want next, helping them stay ahead of the curve. Furthermore, data analytics tools enhance overall business performance by identifying inefficiencies, reducing costs, and driving revenue growth. They are the key to unlocking the full potential of data, turning it into a strategic asset. Understanding the importance of these tools, it's vital to know which one suits your needs best. Now, there's a plethora of data analytics tools out there, each with its unique features. Let's delve into a few of them, namely Excel, Tableau, and Google Analytics. Starting with Excel, it's a tool that's been around for a while. It's great for basic data analysis and manipulation, and almost everyone has used it at some point. However, when it comes to handling large data sets and advanced visualization, Excel falls a bit short. Next, we have Tableau. This tool is a powerhouse for data visualization. It's capable of creating stunning interactive visuals that can really bring your data to life, but it does have a steep learning curve and can be pricey, which might be a barrier for some. Finally, let's talk about Google Analytics. This tool is perfect for tracking website traffic and user behavior. It provides real-time data and is incredibly useful for digital marketers. However, it's specifically tailored for web analytics, so it's not the best fit for other types of data analysis. As we've seen, Excel is a good all-rounder, best suited for individuals and small businesses. Tableau, on the other hand, is excellent for large corporations that need complex visualizations. Google Analytics is the go-to for anyone in the digital marketing sphere. As you can see, each tool has its pros and cons, making the choice dependent on your specific requirements. To wrap things up, let's quickly summarize what we've covered. We delved into the significance of data analytics tools, highlighting their role in transforming raw data into actionable insights. We journeyed through a comparison of various tools, each with their unique strengths and weaknesses. The critical takeaway is understanding the necessity to pick a tool that aligns with your specific needs. Remember, the right tool not only simplifies data analysis but also empowers you to make strategic decisions. Until next time, keep analyzing.